Alright, how's everybody doing today? Today, we're making white chicken chili, guys. Alright, this is a one-pot wonder. Very simple. All it consists of is 3 pounds of chicken, 3 packages of McCormick's white chicken chili seasoning, 2 cups of water, 2 cans of northern beans drained, 1 can of corn, and the rest is optional. Alright, so what I've done is, this is a very easy, great dish to make, guys. You start it in the morning. It takes about 6 to 8 hours to cook in a slow cooker. This chicken will fall apart, just like if you guys have watched my videos, my pulled pork. The chicken will just pull right apart and fall right off and after cooking. So it will be a delicious thing. All you have to do is you put your chicken breast in there. I put my chicken breast in frozen. That's the reason I only use 2 cups of water. Each package of white chicken chili seasoning calls for 1 pound for 1 package, 1 cup of water. Well, with the chicken being frozen, it gives it a more concentrated flavor, and you're getting also 2 cups of water, and then the chicken juices because of the frozen chicken, and that's what gives you the rest of it. So that's why I only do 2 cups. So white chicken chili is very easy. You throw the ingredients together, you throw it in a crock pot for 6 to 8 hours, you come home, boom, it's done. So the only thing I had done different is I've added some corn to it. Gives it a nice crunch. You do not want to put the corn in until the last about 30 minutes. You want it to have that nice crunch. So our white chicken chili is done. If you guys are interested in this recipe, I will have the recipe in the description. Now what I have done is I have added some things to it. Well, that's what we are going to do. I've made up some rice. So we're going to plate this up. And you're just going to take some nice amount of rice. This is 1 cup of uncooked rice, which is going to equal to 3 cups of cooked rice. So you put you a nice little amount of rice in here. Then make sure you put your lid back on so it stays hot. You're gonna come over and you're gonna get you a nice amount of the white chicken chili. And you're just going to put it on top. You can put as much as you want in there or as least as you like. I really like to make a smaller portion and then go back for seconds. That's usually the best thing to do. Alright, so now we are going to finish it off, guys. White chicken chili is absolutely delicious, and it is a healthier option. It's a lot more healthy than ground beef. So that's what makes it a healthier option, and it's not as greasy and everything else. So cheese. This is about a cup of cheese. I like to go a little heavy on the cheese. You can put as much as you like or as little as you like. It's up to you, but I like cheese. Cheese is good. So you're going to put you a nice little amount of cheese. Then you are going to get some sour cream with chives and put you a nice dollop of this on top. Alright, and then your last ingredient is going to be fresh cilantro. You do not want your cilantro to go into the crock pot. You will ruin the cilantro's flavor. Cilantro is best, its best flavor is when it is fresh. Alright, so pretty simple, guys. You are not going to cut this up. You're going to just dollop a few little flakes around the side. Make it look nice and pretty, and it's going to give you a real nice robust flavor of the cilantro with the white chicken chili. They blend very well, and they taste very well as well. So that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. If you don't want the cheese, you don't have to do it. If you don't want the rice, you don't have to. There's just some additives I've made put into it to make it a little more flavorful and nice. I don't have any, but I would recommend if you have some fresh pico de gallo, this would go absolutely great with the dish. I do have a video on how to make pico. If you would like to watch it, feel free. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. It's a one-pot wonder. It really goes great with work schedules and things like that, and especially with the colder weather coming about, it's really nice to have something really nice and hot to come home to. So this is Kurt's Culinary. This is white chicken chili. Please like, please subscribe, and until I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, peace.